Welcome. Today we're going to be going x is x squared minus 3. Now if f of x is x squared minus 3, we know that it's a quadratic function that turns on the y-axis and it turns at the y-axis intercept. What else? But it don't even ask for that. It just asking to find f of x. So f of x means you substitute f into f. So f of x is going to be equal to f of x is x squared. So you're going to put f of x into f to get x squared minus 3. All of this squared, and then you subtract 3. Now, since it says 3 marks, it would make sense only to expand it out. So it's going to be first term square, which is x to the 4, minus twice the product of the 2. 3 times 2 is 6, so it is minus 6x squared, plus the second term square. 3 squared is 9, and then you subtract 3. All right? And so what we're getting is that f of x is actually working out to be x squared minus 3 all squared. Then 9 minus 3 is plus. Wait, why am I writing this? Apologies. So we're getting x to the 4 minus 6x squared plus 6. X to the 4 minus 6x squared plus 6. That is f of x. That's the answer. All right, let's look at the next part now. The next part of the question, it is saying now, solve for values of x where f of x is equal to f of x plus 3. Now we just find what is f of x, right? So before I even solve the equation, I just want to write down what is f of x plus 3. So I'm just going to write down what is f of x plus 3. To find what is f of x plus 3, you replace x with x plus 3. So replacing x with x plus 3, we're going to get x plus 3 all squared. We're going to get x plus 3 all squared and subtract 3. All right, now let's work this out. X plus 3 all squared subtracting 3, it is first term square plus twice the product of the 2, which is plus 6x, plus the second term square, which is plus 9, minus 3. So now that we have f of x plus 3, now we can actually solve what is f of x equal to f of x plus 3. Because f of x plus 3 is just x squared plus 6x plus 6. So this looks very easy to solve. Baby question to solve. Let us boil up this question now. So boiling up this question, we have solving f of x equal to f of x plus 3, which is too nice and easy. Solving this, f of x is equal to f of x plus 3. Solving this now, what we're getting is f of x. As we know, f of x is x to the 4th minus 6x squared plus 6. And we're setting it equal to f of x plus 3. F of x plus 3, it is x squared plus 6x plus 6. So now all we're going to have to do is we're going to have to bring everything to one side and set it equal to 0. So I'm going to bring everything to the right side, and I'm going to get x to the 4 minus, now bringing over x squared, I'm going to get minus 7x squared. Bringing over 6x, I'm going to get minus 6x. Bringing over 6, I'm going to get 0. And so that's equal to 0. X to the 4 minus 7x squared minus 6x equals 0. I can then go ahead and factorize out x to get x times x cubed minus 7x minus 6. And that is now equal to 0. So now what do I have? I have a cubic equation that I'm going to have to somehow solve for the values of x. Because I already know one solution is x equals 0. So let's focus now on this cubic equation. To solve a cubic equation, you need to first find a root. You need to use trial and error to find a root. All right, so we're going to try, let's try x equal 2 cubed minus 7 times 2 minus 6. Let's try minus 2 cubed minus 7 times minus 2 minus 6. So if that works. All right, so I'm trying x equal to minus 2. Try x equal to minus 2. When you try x equal to minus 2 for this cubic portion, right? Trying x equal to minus 2, you're going to get minus 2 cubed minus 7 times minus 2 minus 6. You're going to get that is equal to 0. And so if x equal negative 2 is a root, so we can tick it, that implies that x plus 2 is a factor. So x plus 2 is a factor. Since x equal negative 2 is a root, x plus 2 is a factor. Is a factor of what? It's a factor of that cubic expression. All right. And so now we're going to do polynomial division. All right. Let's see if we can make some space right here. Let's make some space. It's making some space to do the polynomial division. Let's do it right here. All right, so we're going to do this polynomial division now. So we're dividing the cubic equation, and the cubic equation is x cubed minus 7x minus 6. All right, and it is being divided by x plus 2. So now x plus 2 into x cubed, x into x cubed, leave x squared. And then x times x squared is x cubed. And then x squared times 2x squared, that is just 2x squared. We're going to do the subtraction now. X cubed minus x cubed cancel. And so we get minus 2x squared minus 7x. Then we're going to say x into minus 2x squared, that's minus 2x. Then x times minus 2x is minus 2x squared. Minus 2x times 2 is minus 4x. And then, of course, we do our subtracting. After we subtract these now, what we get is minus 7x minus minus 4x, minus and minus become plus. So we have 4x Minus 7x plus 4x is minus 3x minus 6. And then x into minus 3x is minus 3. And then x times minus 3 is minus 3x. Minus 3 times 2 is minus 6. Then we do our subtracting. We get 0. Nice and easy. All right, so what does that mean? That means that this function f of x equal to f of x plus 3 is going to reduce to, we're picking up from here now, picking up from right here. This equation can be reduced to x times x plus 2 times the quadratic of x squared minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. That's what that reduces to. So now when you're solving this now, what are we going to get? From this, the solutions are going to be x is equal to 0, or x look like it can be negative 2, or from here now, if you were to go ahead and factorize it, you would get x minus 3 and x. That looks like x minus 3 and x plus 1. And so then x is also equal to negative 1, or x is equal to 3. So you're getting many solutions right here. All right, you're getting a whole of 4. All right, nice and easy, soft. Now, if you don't believe your answer, you can check it. How do you check your answer? Give a value out as x as 3. So that means that if f of 3 supposed to equal to f of 6. You can check it. Check it. F of 3, work out f of 3, it is 3 squared minus 3, which is 6. Then you work out what is f of 6. F of 6 is 6 squared minus 3, which is 33. Then find out what is f of 6. F of 6 is 33. So you're nice. So they are correct. All right? You're all correct. That takes care of this part of the question.